Hello! OC Maisel. Until you start this. My father found at his work. I'm going to borrow it to show you. I'm going back to him. How we enjoy the video. Like, comment, and support. Share this video to your friends. To help me get more likes, more screen time. That begins. My father found it. CC on it. I don't know what CC stands for. It's a one handle. It's a tractor. It's a strip joint. It's a digital knife. It's got two blades on it. We're gonna stop right here and go right here. I want to clean it up with. Clean it with. I do this one, a clean blade like this. Stop right there. Harder to do it. TC sale HCW PRC. Areas of company right here. Cattlemans Cutlery. I'm putting down the, putting it in the channels. I'm putting the title of this video so what kind of knife it is. I put it down in a description below too. What beautiful. That is not mine, it's my dad. Gold, we're charging it up. Beautiful, this is a knife. Beautiful. C stands for Cattlemans Cutlery. I'll put it down in the description below. It's a beautiful knife. It's a one handle. I don't know what kind of wood it is, but beautiful. Dad found a free knife, and that me use it for the beautiful. But beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. Tight like this. Dot right here. Then a dot right here. Dot right here. And right here. Well, hope you enjoyed my video about this knife my dad found. And only let me use it for this video. Get okay with it. And we'll be back to it after the video's done. All remember, stay nice to your friend, and thanks for watching, and keep question 9 be awesome for that YouTube. And keep support anyone's channel. I'd like to anyone get more supporter. I love anyone get more supporter, help the channel grow, and me. That would help to get more views out that way. Oh wait a minute, day night tomorrow. Stay for awesome and keep questioning night. Be awesome YouTube and be awesome. Keep getting more support. That's that time. Sign out.